I used to know a lot of English, but I couldn't say a single sentence. I understood videos. I memorized vocabulary. I even studied grammar for years. But when someone asked me a simple question, my mind went completely blank. Have you ever felt that? Like, you know English, but you just can't use it? For the longest time, I thought the problem was, I need more vocabulary. I need better grammar. I need more confidence. But the truth is, that wasn't the real problem. The real problem was this. I never trained my brain to turn thoughts into English. I was learning English, but I wasn't speaking English. And the worst part? I didn't even have anyone to practice with. No partner. No native speakers. No English environment. So I stayed stuck for years. Then one day, I discovered something strange. You don't need a partner to practice speaking. You don't need a classroom. You don't even need perfect grammar. What you need is a system. A way to train your brain. To create English, not just repeat it. And that's when everything changed. Most people practice speaking like this. They listen, and then repeat exactly what they hear. But that's not real speaking. That's just copying. Real speaking happens when you listen, you understand, and then you rebuild the idea in your own words. That's the moment you stop being a learner and start becoming a speaker. So here's the exact system I used. It's simple, but if you do it every day, it will completely change your English. Level 1. Micro speaking. Start small. Take a simple sentence like, I went to the store yesterday. Now change it. I went to the gym yesterday. I watched a movie yesterday. I studied English yesterday. You're not memorizing. You're playing with the language. This builds your speaking reflex. Level 2. Idea speaking. Now, go one step further. Listen to a short idea. Pause. And try to explain that idea. In your own words. Not perfectly. Not exactly the same. Just your version. This is where your brain starts. Thinking in English. Level 3. Free speaking. Finally, the hardest level. Listen to a full story. Then close everything and tell that story again. From memory. In your own way. This is real speaking. This is where fluency begins. Something powerful happens. When you train like this, your brain stops translating. It stops searching for words. Instead, it starts recognizing patterns. You don't think, what's the grammar here? You just feel the sentence is right. That's how children learn. And that's how fluent speakers think. But most learners never reach this point because they make 3 mistakes. They repeat like robots, but never create. They study grammar, but never use it. And they wait for confidence instead of building it through action. Let me tell you something honestly. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You just need to be able to say what you want to say, because fluency is not about perfection. It's about expression. So if you feel stuck right now, start today. Speak alone. Think in English. Rebuild what you hear. Because fluency doesn't come from repeating English. It comes from creating it. If this helped you, tell me in the comments. Do you practice speaking alone or not yet?